You are super excited to play Android apps and games on BlueStacks. But when you try to install the BlueStacks, you face the error a driver cannot load on this device, and also this Hyper-V installer warning. And suddenly, all your excitement has gone, but don't worry, I am here to solve your problem. But before we start this video, subscribe to our channel. Now, without any further ado, let's fix this problem. Simply click on Start and here Typesetting and open it. Click on Privacy and Security. Click on Windows Security. Here click on Device Security. Click on Core Isolation Details and turn off the memory integrity. Click on Yes, now minimize these tabs. Again, click on Start button and here type Turn Windows Features on or off. And hit Enter. Click on Hyper-V section and disable it by removing the check option. Also expand it and check that no option is enabled. Click on OK. Wait for the changes to be done. Now click on Restart. Here wait for this process. Now sign in your PC. And let's try to install the BlueStacks this time. And here you can see the BlueStacks install successfully. Click on Launch to open it. And here you see the BlueStack open successfully without any error. Now open Windows Security, click on Device Security. Click on Core Isolation Details, and turn on the memory integrity, and then restart your PC. Boom, all your problem has been solved. Now, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, see you soon in the next video.